we get the phones and the laptop, this is one of the platform called eBay. eBay is one of the most gadget selling platform that we found in the US, in the UK. You can even buy the product and they will ship it to Africa for you. If you shipped it directly to Africa, the charges will be more and you go to the port to receive your goods. So we are going to use a different method so that you will not need to go to the port and there's no need for you to hustle yourself. All that you need is what to place your order, make your payment, and you receive your product. So go to ebay.com or use the link in the description, and after you open it, you come here. If you haven't sign up, you see they will tell you to sign up, and you can also use the app version on your phone. Just download it on App Store and then Play Store. So you come here, you create your account. So I already have my account created here. Next thing is you look for the product. So for instance, if I'm looking for Samsung S22 Plus, I will search for the phone, and these are some ads that I've got placed here. You see, this is a sponsored app that was well placed, and this is the price. This doesn't show that it is not real. It's an advert that they are running on eBay, and it's legit. If you want to buy, you can go in and read about the company. So we have a lot of ads that has been placed here that you can select from. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go through it and see the kind of Samsung phone that I want to buy. So for me to go through and check, I need to check the price. And one thing that you're supposed to also check is what, while checking the price, to check for the stars. So I'll click on it. So 4 sold today, that means they are what sold for today. So these are the pictures that they have about this product right here. If you come here, we have these 3 options here: buy it and then add to cart. Let's scroll down here, and then you want to go to the description of the product. So if you look at this side, it says about this item. So you come here and read everything that you're supposed to know about the product. Either it is unlocked or locked. So this one is unlocked. So you can pay using PayPal, MasterCard, Visa card, American Express, and other stuff. So that means if you are using GCB and other payment method, you can use it to make payment from Ghana to a PayPal to you can use the PayPal to make your payment. And let's look at the conditions here. It says the condition is very good, refurbished. That means a refurbished device. So you select the color that you want. So I will select this one. I want a lot of stuff about this supplier. I need to go to the supplier page and read a lot and check the profile of the supplier too. That is very, very important if you are buying outside your country. So you can go to the supplier page and read about the supplier. So this is the supplier. I can go to the supplier page. I read about the supplier, look at the shops, what he sells and stuff. So this tells us that this supplier have a lot of followers. He have even 1.4 million items that he have sold, and the followers is what, over 100k followers. It tells us that this supplier is legit. So here is the product page. You can send them a text. Just enter the text, right, and send them the text that you want to enter, and then you test them. You ask a lot of questions about the product. What I'm going to do is what, add the product to cart. If I add the product to cart, it will appear like here. You're going to choose your payment method. I'll choose credit card, and then I'll add my credit card because I haven't added any payment method. You go through this one, you add your payment method, and then you confirm payment and pay. And let's go down here. This is very important. You say billing address. That's what the billing address here. This is the address that I have, that they will bill me from it. Okay, so if I add my address, this is what they are going to use to bill me. And then we have a shipping too. If you look at here, I've added some shipping method here. So if I use this one, that means they are going to ship it straight from US to Ghana here, and it will get to the port. That I will go to the port and go and get the item. I don't want to use that method. What I will do is what, to come into my account back again, go to accounts, and then scroll down and look for where it says shipping, and then we have payment. You can add your payment method. So I can just come here and add my payment method straightforward. So this is my account here that I can add my payment method here. So it says payment method. If I click on continue here, and then if I want to add card, I will just tap on add card, and then I click on continue. Then you select the one that you want to use. So if you want to use card, you use your credit card and debit card, then you hit on that one. Then you come in and enter your card number, expiring dates, first name, last name, and other stuff. And then the billing address, that's your location, your current location. Make sure that one you keep it, because they are going to use it to track your payment on the platform, because it's an international payment that you are doing. It's not local payment. So make sure for the billing address you use your local billing address or your local address, your current address that you are adding the shipping address. It's very simple, right? So if you look at here, you see ship to also here. Okay, we have ship to, you can use that one, and then you can come here and click on it and then come to account settings. You're going to look for where it says shipping address or the address. So on the address you have a register address here, you have registration address, that's what where you are located, and then we have shipping address, your main shipping address for purchase. This is where you will look to receive items you purchase. So this is very important. And the ship from address, your main address where you ship package from. So you come to edit here and then you edit this one or add another address. Okay, so let me just hit on add address and then a new address right here. And what you are going to do is that we are going to use a shipping company that's what will do everything for us. And the shipping company that I'm talking about, it is called Aquentio. So this is Aquentio shipping address, or the Aquentio company, where they ship goods from US to Africa, from UK, Dubai, China and stuff, Canada, even Korea. They ship all this thing. They receive our small and large goods and ship them to Africa for us. To create your account, you hit on start here, and then because I already have my address or my account set up, so you go through the steps to create your account. After you are done with the address, come to my address here. If you go to my address, you set up your address here. You set up your address. So you select your country, which is Ghana, and then you select your shipping mode. So for this one, this is I want it very fast. I will use air, and the shipping mode we have air and sea. The air is very fast but very expensive. The air is fast but very expensive, and the sea takes like 3 months, but the cost is very low. And to use the air, meaning you are buying you are shipping just 1 or 2 gadget, like 1 or 2 items. If you are shipping lots or large items, you can use, or large package, you can use the air shipping, the sea shipping, sorry, you can use the sea shipping. So if you scroll down here, you see what your US address. So this is my US address here, buying the item from US. Here you are buying from US, you are buying from US here, that one you use the US address. Okay, the US address. If you are buying from Canada, you use the Canadian address. UK, you use UK address. So this one, let's say I'm buying from US, what I'm going to do is use the US address. So I come in and select the address here, and make sure if you are selecting the country, you choose the country here. So I'm using the US address. I come in and paste the address that I copy. That's what the name, and it will show like this. I need to make sure I use notes. So I'll copy it and come and paste it. And then street address 1. I'll go to the notes. I'll come to the notes and then address 1. I copy that, then head back to and then paste it. You do the same to the address 2. Come to the city. You select the state. Okay. And then the zip code to you copy it and paste it. And then the telephone number, we have all here. After you have done, scroll down here and hit on save to save it. So this is the address that you're going to use to receive your package. So anytime you buy products from a platform, what that you are going to do is select the address, then you send the product to them. Okay, so they will send the product from wherever you are into that location. Okay, if that is a laptop, a clothing and other stuff.